Today we will learn to use the parallax element, which is a visual effect that consists of simulating the displacement of images or textures that are in the background at different speeds and at different levels, resulting in an illusion of a certain depth, creating a similar effect to a 3D landscape, which helps the user to immerse himself in the content. Let's start to understand it a bit with this basic example, where we can see an ordinary image along with text spread over our page. To use a parallax, we must find it in our element library and drag it to the body of our page. Inside the element, we can see the setting panel where we will find the field's name, descriptive name of the element, in order to better visualize it within the Aptugo element tree. Use an asset, where we can use an image previously saved in the asset section of the project. Image path allows you to use an image with a manually defined path. Alt text, where we can place an alternative text for the element. Class name, where the name of the element class will be placed, allowing styles and functionalities to be applied. Strength, where we can control the intensity of the parallax effect in pixels. It will define the amount of pixels that bleed through the background element. By default, this value is 100 pixels. Parallax also provides us with some advanced properties, where we can find the following. Height in VH is the height in VH that the background element will occupy. By default, this value is 100. Width in VW is the width in VW that the background element will occupy. By default, this value is also 100. Blur min is the minimum numerical value for the blur of the element, depending on the displacement position. By default, this value is 0. Blur max is the maximum numerical value for the blur of the element, depending on the displacement position. By default, this value is 0. Once our settings are ready, we save and build to finally see the results.